Hello guys, you're welcome back to your crypto family, a place where we share a proper guideline and information on how to earn a digital product, especially free way. So today we are going to talk about airchain. Airchain is one of the best projects out there that we are currently mining, which we are still on the testnet. As you can see, we are still on the testnet on this particular project. This testnet is ongoing for now. So now we will still mine this mainnet when time comes. So it means that this particular project will take time before it will come to an end, because this testnet we have mined it for almost 6 months now away now, and currently we have not even started mining the mainnet, which is the main place that we are heading to. So now let's head straight to the place where we are going to, which is connecting. So if you have not participated in this particular project, do well to participate as early as now, because the more you participate early, the more you earn from this particular project. So let's click on this particular check-in. So we have performed today's task by receiving 30 airchain. So as you can see, this is, let's close this. This is our balance over here. This is airchain. We are mining two tokens here. We are mining airchain and you are mining guide chain G. So as you can see, the two will be accumulating immediately you perform all the tasks that you needed to perform. So that is all you need to know. Now there's another task that you need to perform, which is by joining the Twitter airchain mission Twitter and also the daily quiz. So the only thing we will first of all do now is this daily quiz. Let's go. Let's click on it. So now, what is this particular question that they ask? So please, if I do not get this particular quiz correct, please correct it on your own side when you come across this. So make sure you answer correctly. Even though I do not answer correctly, make sure you answer the correct answer. So now they said, what is the primary function of block observer BOS in airchain? To produce block, to validate block and enhance network security, to manage smart contracts, to distribute reward. So let's check on this particular tool, which is B. Let's click on it. Let's check in. Congratulations. Right, we get it correct. So as you can see, congratulations, you have earned 30 airchain coin for answering correct. So that is how you can answer your own question. So your own question may be different or the same, but if it is the same question, do well to click on B, which is second one. So let's go. So now let's go to the Twitter page. Let's go there. So it's coming. So here we are on Twitter. So you just join, and also you can go through it if you wish. If not, the only thing you need to do is to go back after you have joined. Let's go back. So here we are. As you can see, it is processing. After some minutes, your airchain will accumulate more. It will show. It will be accumulating in your balance. So another thing you need to understand is this general. Let's click on this general. So now you need to go to perform this task. So as you can see, I have performed the Discord and Telegram, so and the airchain main channel. So another thing we need to do now is to click on this. You perform the task as well. Once you came here, you click on follow. So let me click on follow. So follow again, then you now go back. Let's go back. I say it's on the process. As you can see, it's processing. So let's click on this second one. Let's click on it. Click on follow. Here we are. So click on follow. For you to know what you need to do, you just click on follow. You have followed the page. So that is all you need to do. You can like and also repost. You like and repost. That is the only thing you need to do if you like. So you can write anything concerning this particular project, good news, a nice project, you reply. So anything at all you wish to write, you can write it. That is to show that, okay, you are part of the community. So let's go back. So that is all you need to do. Just go and perform those tasks. So remember that this airchain has its own blockchain. It has its own wallet. So you can receive, you can send, and you can transaction. So you can make your transaction in this particular project. So that is all you need to know about this airchain for now. So if there's a further update or a further information concerning this particular project, I will as well update you in time. But only thing you need to do now is go straight, check the description of this video, and also you check the link over there. Then you do what? You go ahead and start mining this project as early as now. So if you find this video helpful, put it your comments below the comment section. Anything you want us to talk about pertaining this crypto industry, put it in the comment section so that we will work towards that. So at the same time, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that each time we upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So that is all you have to do for this channel. So I think we have come to the end of this video. You have to be on the safe side and be blessed.